Good morning, students. In science, we are reading chapter 7, uh, Respiration in Living Organisms. So, today let us read Respiration in Animals. So, we have already know the definition of respiration. What is respiration? It is the process of production of energy in our body by burning foods in presence of oxygen. The production of energy in the body by burning foods in presence of oxygen is called respiration. Main purpose of respiration is to produce energy in the body. So we have seen the respiration and photosynthesis in case of plants. Now let us know the respiration in case of animals. So there are various types of animals. There are insects, um, there are reptiles, and there are variety of animals. So let us see. In small animals, the exchange of gases take place by diffusion. है ना, स्मॉल एनिमल्स या माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स एक ही सेल है, दे आर ओनली सिंगल सेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म, तो उसका तो कोई ब्रीदिंग ऑर्गन नहीं है, ब्रीदिंग सिस्टम नहीं है, तो उसका रेस्पिरेशन कैसा होगा, एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस कैसा होगा ना, एक्सचेंज ऑफ इन देयर केस द एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस टेक्स प्लेस एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस टेक्स प्लेस बाय डिफ्यूजन थ्रू देयर ओवरऑल बॉडी सरफेस। तो जो सेल सरफेस है, सेल्स का सरफेस होते हुए ही है ना, ऑक्सीजन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस अंदर बाहर होते रहता है, ठीक है ना। इन लार्ज एनिमल्स there are organs which help in bringing oxygen from the air inside the body so that cellular respiration can take place easily. But in case of large organisms which have got many cells, many organs, they have got a special respiratory system because they have specialized organs in their body, so their mechanism of respiration is different. So let us come to first one, the small organisms. In small organisms like amoeba and hydra, oxygen enters and carbon dioxide goes out, है ना। ऑक्सीजन रेस्पिरेशन के लिए क्या चाहिए, हमें ऑक्सीजन चाहिए, और हमारा रेस्पिरेशन के बाद कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वेस्ट मटेरियल बनता है, उसको बाहर निकाल दिया जाता है। So in small animals like amoeba and hydra, oxygen enters and carbon dioxide goes out through the simple process of diffusion. And through process of diffusion only they can perform their respiration. So what is diffusion? Diffusion is the simple mixing of diffusion is the automatic mixing of two or more substances by the mixing of two or more substances by their own. Okay, automatic mixing होगा. So mixing of two or more substances by their own is called diffusion. So diffusion हो गया. चलो next, in case of earthworm and leech, skin is the organ for exchange of gases, है ना। earthworm leech का कैसे exchange of gas होगा respiration के लिए ना, through their body skin, है ना। it is smooth, moist and richly supplied with blood. And how is the mechanism? Their skin is supplied with blood, okay, and it is smooth, moist and richly supplied with blood. So the organ for respiration in case of earthworm leech is the skin, body skin, okay. in fishes prawns and crabs, the respiratory organs are gills, fishes are gills. Similarly prawns and crabs, prawn matlab it is type of fish, crabs, and their respiratory organs are the gills. Oxygen rich water enters through the mouth, and oxygen deficient water leaves through the gills. तो कैसे लेता है वो सब, they take in oxygen rich water enters through their mouth and oxygen deficient water leaves through the gills से निकल जाएगा, ठीक है ना। देखो ये सब, so fishes का जो diagram है, they take gulp of water contains oxygen and that oxygen is absorbed by the blood, and thereafter the water is released from the opercula. So in fishes हो गया, देखो insects, in case of insects they have network or branch tube called trachea. insect के लिए they have a network or branch tube, देखो ये सब tubes है, they have a network or branch tube called trachea. So in case of insects have a network of branch tubes called trachea, TRACHEAE, trachea or trachea भी कह सकते हो, for respiration. These tracheae open on the surface of their bodies through pores. देखो through pores मतलब बॉडी में छेदा है जिसके जरिए हवा घुसता है, और ट्यूब्स के जरिए ऑक्सीजन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस अंदर जाना बाहर आना सब चलते रहता है. So insects have network or branch tube called trachea for respiration. These tracheae open on the surface of their bodies through pores. अच्छा, some animals have very well developed spongy organs. Some animals have very well developed spongy organs called lungs for respiration in respiration. So we have got lungs in our body. Similarly, many other animals also have. So in mammals are animals which suckle their babies. मतलब दूध पिला के जो बच्चा को बड़ा करता है उसको mammals कहते हैं. ठीक है ना. तो mammals structures like diaphragm and rib cage. In mammals मतलब just like human beings are mammals. So mammals structures like diaphragm and rib cage support the process of breathing. है ना. हम सब ब्रीदिंग करते हैं किसके सपोर्ट में. हमारा लंग्स अकेला ब्रीदिंग नहीं कर पाएगा. वी हैव गॉट लंग्स बट लंग्स कैन नॉट ब्रीथ बाय देमसेल्व्स. है ना. दिस इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द सपोर्ट ऑफ द डायफ्राम एंड द रिब केज. है ना, which helps us in breathing. So support the process of breathing. Many of you might have observed the movement of rib cage in cows, dogs and small babies while they are sleeping. So हम सब देखते हैं हमारा जो बॉडी जो कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एक्सपांशन, ये रिब केज जो बाहर आता है और अंदर चला जाता है ना, एक्सपांड एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, ये आसान से हम सब देख सकते हैं. कोई एनिमल्स जब स्लीपिंग में है, काउज, डॉग, स्मॉल बेबीज, है ना, का देखो थोड़ा मार्क करके देखोगे कि कैसे हमारा रिब केज, है ना, फैलता है और सिकुड़ता है, यानी बाहर आता है और अंदर घुसता है. सो लेट अस कम टू नो द respiration in human beings.